Hello everyone, welcome back to Tom Hacks channel. So today I would like to share the tutorials how to add an extra column in a Google spreadsheet by iOS or iPhone. So I already have my documents open and I have 5 columns on it. I want to add extra column between 4 and 5th column. So the things that you need to do is just click the D column or the column that you want to add with until it becomes in active mode. So after the column being active, there is a plus button on the upper right corner. Click the plus button and there will be an options, column left and column right. Column left means there will be one extra column on the left side of the active column, and then the column right there will be one additional column on the right side of the active column. Since I want to the new column in a between 4 and 5th column, so I will choose the column right. And now there is an additional column on the right side of the D columns. Now I already have the 6th column on my documents. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe into this channel.